What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BABA ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the amazing fundamental news that eliminates all the rumors of delisting and all the potential rumors of share dilution. Then I will continue with the technical analysis and I will show you what should we expect next from the price action. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point and I was a bit confused about the movements and the structure of these movements, and I have to say that for now I have more clarity. And first of all, I don't need this ABC correction. I think it is irrelevant for now, and most probably we still have higher lows, and definitely it is a very good sign. And I think let me show you the weekly time frame. As you can see right here, we have very good support from the range of about $110, and on the weekly time frame we should hold. Especially we have very good action on indicators. We had bullish divergence right here and we have some kind of consolidation phase, in my opinion, right before the movement to the upside. And as you can see, MACD indicator shows us that we have this diminishing negative momentum, and most likely we will have next massive movement to the upside with increase in this momentum, and definitely it is a very good bullish sign. So let's continue with the fundamental news, and I will show you the main news that might be a catalyst for the upcoming weeks. Right here on February the 9th we have this article that is titled "Alibaba rises as SoftBank says it will not sell stake in the company." And let me quote you the news itself. Alibaba shares rose in pre-market trading on Wednesday after SoftBank said there was no link between Alibaba's decision to register 1 billion new American depository shares, or ADS, and its selling the stake it owns in the company. The registration of the ADR conversion facility, including its size, is not tied to any specific future transaction by SBG, SoftBank told Reuters. The news outlet added that SoftBank's chief executive Masayoshi Son told analysts he was surprised by the decision and had not requested the filing, citing a person familiar with the situation. On Monday, Citi analyst Alicia Yap said Alibaba's decision could have been a sign that SoftBank intends to sell some of the 5.39 billion Alibaba ordinary shares it owns. Citi said that SoftBank's stake is the equivalent of almost 674 million ADSs, or nearly 24% of Alibaba. Definitely, these rumors pushed the price of Alibaba down, because 24% in ADSs might drastically reduce the price of the company. So, next one. On Wednesday, Citi's Yap said in a new note that Alibaba may have registered the filing in conjunction with converting Hong Kong listed shares to those in New York. Yap has a buy rating and 216 price target on Alibaba. So, what does it mean, the issuance of 1 billion new shares in ADSs in New York Stock Exchange? Definitely it is not the dilution, because we have two exchanges. One of them is Hong Kong Stock Exchange and one of them is New York Stock Exchange. And Alibaba shares on Hong Kong Stock Exchange can be converted in a ratio of 8:1 to 1 BABA stock on New York Stock Exchange. This means it is not the dilution, it is just a bridge in between two exchanges, in order to have more flexibility in its price and in order to reduce all the risks of potential arbitrage possibilities for some market makers. So, and let me show you another news. On February the 9th, we have this article that is titled "Bill Miller sees decisive shift towards value, likes Meta, Amazon, Alibaba and crypto." And let me quote you this. Closely followed investor Bill Miller said Wednesday that the stock market has shifted decisively towards value plays, as the Federal Reserve looks to tighten monetary policy to get inflation under control. And he noted that Amazon is a good prospect, noting growth in its AWS and advertising business. Meanwhile, he argued that Alibaba provides a value bet as well, given its growth prospects and the way its shares have been beaten down by Chinese regulatory worries. And for those of you who don't know who Bill Miller is, let me show you this. William H. Miller III is an American investor, fund manager, and philanthropist. He served as the chairman and chief investment officer of Legg Mason Capital Management, as well as the principal portfolio manager of the Legg Mason Capital Management Value Trust. And he is known for his management of a portfolio that beat the S&P 500 index from 1991 to 2005 consecutively. Definitely he is a very knowledgeable guy and he knows what to do with his assets. And this opinion on Baba stock is very valuable in my opinion. So, and let me show you the most excited news, why I think we won't see the delisting of Chinese companies from US stock exchange. Let me show you this website. It is a capitaltrades.com, and this website tracks the trade activity from Capitol Hill. And if you type right here Baba ticker, you can find that we have the most recent filing that James Langevin bought the shares of Alibaba on February the 9th, as you can see, just yesterday. And the value of this stake was in between $1,000 and $15,000. Definitely it is a good sign, because let me show you this. Here is the sneak peek of his biography, but I found some interesting details about his trades back in 2020. And we are on conleyforcongress.com, and this article was published on July 31st, 2020, and it's titled Langevin makes profit trading in Chinese high-tech companies. And let me quote you this. On May 20, 2020, the US Senate anonymously passed the Holding Foreign Companies Accountable Act that includes considerations that may delist Alibaba from the New York Stock Exchange because of concerns that Alibaba is under the control of Chinese government. That bill was introduced on March 28, 2019. A few weeks earlier, on March 4, 2019, Congressman Langevin pathetically sold between 250,000 and 500,000 of Alibaba stock just before the bill caused the value of that stock to crash. I don't want to say that he sold his shares because of his knowledge, but definitely something was in the Congress that forced him to sell these shares. And definitely this sign that he just bought a new stake of Alibaba shares shows that in foreseeable future we won't see any steps to the listing process of Chinese stocks in general and Alibaba stock in particular from US stock exchange. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, definitely this movement and this sell-off on the rumors that Citibank will sell its shares was very deep, but it didn't exceed the bottom of this range, previous bottom. And definitely we are forming higher lows. We have some kind of consolidation phase in the range in between $130 to $110. And we are hovering inside this range for about 70 days. Very long consolidation phase. But from the investor standpoint, the prices below $130 is extremely attractive from the fundamental standpoint. And if you want to invest, you can accumulate your position on every daily red candle. But if you want to catch the trade, don't be in a hurry and wait until the price will exceed the range of $138. In this case, we will form not only higher lows, but also higher highs. And this will be a very good bullish sign for the company. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!